Hello guys, my name is Moni and I started a YouTube channel about over a month ago. I'm very passionate about YouTube, about learning how to create your business and all that. I decided to record it on this channel. I'll definitely be sharing about what I've learned for the past month that I've been on YouTube. So today I'm going to show you how you can start a YouTube channel from scratch. From creating our Gmail account till adding a channel art and a description to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First of all, we have to create our Gmail account. So we're going to type gmail.com. In order to create your Gmail account, you just click here in the blue rectangle that says create an account. Then you add all of your personal information. Now, here's the interesting part. Here's where you pick your username. This is just for your Gmail account. And I recommend you to use something professional like contact and then your name, or business something. Contact Moni Rangel. Now I'm going to add my password. As soon as I'm done with my password, we'll get back to the next step. If you want to make sure that the password that you typed in, it's what you thought, you just click here and then you can see which is your password. Now we're going to click on next. You can add your phone number in order to verify your account. This is for security reasons. I'll skip this step. I'm not sure if this is something that could be really useful. So now we have all the privacy and terms. This is basically a contract, so you need to read everything. I know that not everyone does this, but it is really important to know what you're agreeing to. I've already done this for my other YouTube account, so I'm not going to read this all over again because I know what it's all about, but read it. I know it takes a lot of time and you just don't want to do it, but you need to know what you're agreeing to. In case something happens, you're like, these are my rights and this wasn't on the contract. So just do that. So you agree to the terms of Google and all that. Now we have our Gmail account. Now we're going to go to YouTube. Now we're going to click here and we're going to click on create a channel. Now I click there. Next. So you can use your name as your channel name, or you can choose a custom name. I personally prefer a custom name because I already have a YouTube account with my name. So we're going to click here. Now we can create our channel name. You can actually change this name. For now, I'm going to call it That's Money Tech. So now I click here, and now we have just created our YouTube account. Our next step is to add a profile picture. So you click here. There you go. Now we have our profile picture. So now we have our description. So in this part, you mainly describe what your channel is going to be about. Now that we have our channel description, we can move into adding our links. You can add here your website, or if you have your blog, like for example I have a blog, so I'm going to add my blog. Now you can add your social links. I'm going to do that. That's money. Save and continue. Oh, no, wait, I got it wrong. I have to go back. We can edit that. So now this is how our channel looks like. This is going to be our friend. We're going to customize our channel. Now you can see that we have a different setup, and we're going to go to the About tab. And here you can see that we have our links. So if you by accident skipped the step that we just did about the links, or you made a mistake like I did, there's no problem. Click here and you can edit it. So I'm just going to add T. And it's done. You can erase it or you can add more, like let's say I want to add Pinterest, or I can erase it. Done. So now that we're done with that, you can see that we have our links in here, and if I click here, it'll directly send me to my Instagram account. There you go. So if you didn't add any description for any reason, like whether if you're still not sure what your channel is going to be about, or you're still like figuring things out, you can edit it later on. And yeah, you just edit the content here, and when you're done, you just click done. You can as well add your email here, and your location. Now we're going to move on into our channel art. So the channel art is this part, like this sort of banner or cover photo that people see every time that they click on your channel. So we're going to edit this. I'm going to create another video on how to create your channel art for free, so stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload that video. You now have your channel art. And if you pay special attention, you can see that your links are on this side. So if I click on my blog, it directly sends me to my blog. So far, we created our Gmail account, we chose a channel name, we verified our account with our phone number, we added our profile picture, then we added a channel art, which is this photo. We also added our social media icons. Now we're going to move into our YouTube channel keywords. We're going to go to YouTube Studio. When you want to go to YouTube Studio, you just click here, YouTube Studio, and it sends you directly to the YouTube Studio page. We are going to go to the settings part, which is this one. When you get monetized, this is a currency that are going to pay you with. Like normally they pay you with USD dollars. So this is very important because it makes easier for people to find your channel. Because this is going to be a tech channel, I'm going to type YouTube for beginners. So now we're going to go to advanced settings, and if your channel is made for kids, you just click here, and if not, you just click here, or if you want to review each video, you just click on here. So now we set that. We're going to go to branding, and we have a video watermark. What is this? So I don't know if you've noticed that a lot of YouTubers have like this little icon on their YouTube videos. I'm going to show you mine. If you go to my blog, you can click here and it directly sends you to my YouTube channel. So we're going to click on a video. You can see here that I have a little heart. I've noticed that some YouTubers just add a watermark that says subscribe. So what this does is that it's a shortcut for people to subscribe to your channel. So you should definitely add a watermark, personalize it, and add something that represents your YouTube channel. You can also add something that says subscribe. You can choose for how long this will be shown. For now, I'm not going to add a video watermark because this video is sufficiently long. I'm going to make another video on this. So if you want to learn how to create your video watermark, stay tuned. I'm going to make another video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload that video. You can verify your phone. I think this is something that you need to do. I think that at a certain point, if you don't do it, then you get restrictions in your YouTube account. So I just did it. Now I'm going to receive a message on my phone. And now my YouTube account has been verified. So we're going to go to YouTube Studio. We're going to go to settings. Now that we've added our keywords and learned about how to add a video watermark, now we're going to go to our upload defaults. So this is something very useful. I just learned this today. You can add a description in here, and every time that you upload a video, this description will be added automatically. So you won't need to write this every time that you upload a video. This is very useful. Now we have our default description. And you can also change the visibility. So this means that every time that you upload a video, either it'll go public or private or unlisted. I recommend you to add it on private because then you can edit your video and nobody but you will be able to see the video. So you can edit your description or add a title, keywords, and do all of your research and all of that in order to rank your video on the first page. You can also add text here and a title. I personally will not add anything in there because each video is different, so we're going to skip that. You can also choose a category of your YouTube channel. I'm going to choose education because we're going to learn together on this channel. Now we have a language, so we're going to add English. And well, this is for subtitles and all that. So that's all that we want to change. The other options, they do not really apply to my channel, so I'm not going to change anything. If you work with a team, you can add moderators, you can add approved users. We're going to save our changes. That's all for today, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell if you want to watch more videos like this one. If you're also new to YouTube, hang in there. Just know that it's not easy for any of us and it takes a lot of work, and there's a lot of things that we need to learn in order to build our channels. Be really patient, keep yourself motivated, and keep going. We're all in this together, and see you on my next video. I'll leave you all the links of my social media in the description box in case you want to follow me in there. See you on my next video.